Hey there. Thanks for being there with AI Neurosky, where we learn with AI and master the future. Imagine a future where we can repair our DNA, grow new organs in the lab, and send tiny robots into the body to fix problems from the inside. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of medicine, and it has already begun. So, let's start with one of the biggest breakthroughs in medical history, gene editing. You've probably heard of CRISPR. It's a revolutionary technology that allows scientists to act like genetic surgeons, fixing, removing, or replacing specific genes that are responsible for diseases. This has the potential to cure a huge range of conditions, from genetic disorders and certain cancers to immune system failures. Think about inherited blindness or chronic blood diseases just disappearing. With gene editing, we could even turn off harmful mutations before symptoms ever have a chance to appear. This is a monumental shift. It moves healthcare from just treating symptoms to actually correcting the problem at its source, inside our very own DNA. Next, let's talk about the organ shortage crisis. Every year, countless people wait for a donor organ that may never arrive. But what if we could just print a new one? That's the promise of 3D bioprinting and regenerative medicine. Scientists are already using this technology to print simpler tissues like skin, bone, cartilage, and even blood vessels. They're also creating mini heart and liver tissues for drug testing and research. The next big step? Printing full organs like kidneys or hearts, using a patient's own cells. This would completely eliminate the risk of organ rejection. At the same time, regenerative medicine aims to help the body repair itself, restoring damaged tissues naturally without major surgery. Now, let's shrink down to the microscopic level and explore nanorobots. These are tiny machines, thousands of times smaller than a grain of sand, designed to work inside the human body. In the future, swarms of these nanorobots could be programmed to hunt down and destroy cancer cells one by one, leaving healthy cells untouched. They could repair damaged tissues from the inside, deliver medicine directly to a single infected cell, or even clean out blocked arteries like tiny plumbers. This would change medicine from whole-body treatments with widespread side effects to precise, targeted healing that only affects the areas that need it. But what if we could catch problems before they even start? That's where smart drug delivery and internal monitoring come in. Imagine swallowing a tiny, AI-powered pill that stays in your body and acts as a personal health guardian. These microdevices could continuously monitor your blood chemistry, hydration, hormone levels, and even look for the earliest signs of infection or tumor growth. If anything looks wrong, it would instantly alert you and your doctor long before you feel any symptoms. This would transform healthcare from a reactive system that waits for you to get sick into a continuous, real-time system that keeps you healthy. So what does all this mean for the next decade? We're on the cusp of some incredible advancements. We could see organ printing becoming a routine procedure and gene editing being used for more common diseases. Your prescriptions might be personalized drug formulas based on your unique biology, and AI-assisted surgical robots will be a standard tool in every operating room. Nanorobot-based treatments and smart home devices connected directly to your hospital will make healthcare more preventive, more precise, and more human-centered than ever before. To sum it all up, the future of medicine is about repairing, regenerating, and enhancing human health from the inside out. From editing our genes to deploying nanorobots, we are entering a new era where many diseases may no longer be lifelong conditions. This is the next chapter of human healthcare, and it's happening right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Neurosky for more videos on AI, healthcare, future technologies, and the innovations shaping our world.